वेलकम बैक टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम स्टिल लाइफ करने वाले हैं। दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड वीडियो ऑन स्टिल लाइफ। आप फर्स्ट वीडियो को भी देख सकते हैं। दिस इज़ फॉर स्कूल लेवल। बहुत रिक्वेस्ट आ रही थी बच्चों की कि स्कूल के लिए हमें स्टिल लाइफ की प्रैक्टिस करना है। सो आई एम मेकिंग दिस ऑन दी स्टिल लाइफ फॉर स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स, और यू कैन से फॉर एंट्रेंस प्रिपरेशन एज वेल। सो वी विल स्टार्ट by making the layout, or you can say the placement of the object. Like in this still life, there are 3 main subjects. तो पहले क्या करना है, आप लोग को उनका लोकेशन या प्लेसमेंट कह सकते हैं, प्लेसमेंट कर देना है कि फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट विल कम हियर, सेकंड विल कम हियर, थर्ड विल कम. So here I am drawing the first object, that is a pot. So here I am taking the length of the pot as well. It is the width. We are just taking this medium line, or you can say the bottom line as well. Like this side should equal to be this side, left and right, to make it more appropriate. First draw the first side and then the other side. It will help you to make a proportionate drawing as well. You can compare both sides and you may change accordingly. This is just a rough sketch. We will finalize it later. Here is the second object. That is a bowl. Similarly, here I am also taking the length and the width. Try to draw with a lighter pencil as much as you can. So here is an apple. Similarly with this object, this is the middle. The placement is almost done. Now I will finalize the whole drawing. Now we have already erased the unnecessary parts. You can start shading easily from light to the dark. So we will start from the light to the dark. First you have to do the first tone, then the second, then the last, or you can say the darkest tone. So first I will do the middle tone and the lighter tone. There are different kinds of shading that can be done, as I already told you in one of my video. There is cross hatching, scrubbing, and so on. You can do according to you. Here we are using simple strokes shading. I am using light pencil to smudge the pencil's effect on the paper. here you can see we have almost done the first and the second tone of the objects, as well as somewhere the third tone has also been done. Now we will do the shadow. Like if these objects are on some surface, so there must be a shadow of these surface. Like here, this will be the shadow of an apple. Here will be the of the knife, and here of the book. And one thing I will like to tell you is the shadow will be of the darkest from the beginning, and then it will slightly merge on the surface. So this is the part of the shadow. Apart from shadow, I will like to tell you that we have to do a background of this as well. It's up to you. You can do or you cannot. Like if you want your object to come in front or you want to highlight them, then you need to use a darker tone in the behind or in the background, and it must be darker than this. Like slightly you can start, then you will realize that little by little the object will come in front and it gets highlighted. Like here I am doing. You can even use any darker pencil as well. Like here I am using 4B. Make sure to merge it completely. Similarly here, we are going to do this in the whole background. So obviously it will take time, so you can do it comfortably. Then you will feel like your object will come in front and it gets highlighted, or you can say they will get a 3D effect. This is just light to dark. Like here you can see, like the background is done with slight darker and a little bit lighter shade. Similarly in the base we will do the shading, but here we will use the lighter tone. Then we will make the shadows with the darker tone. So just do it the whole background, or you can say the foreground. You can make the shadows according to you. Like here I am making the shadows of these objects. I hope you have liked the video. I tried to make a easy still life. So we have done almost. You can work on the details later, or like wherever you need. Like here I want to do the depth, so I'm doing this. You can work accordingly. I hope you have liked the video. Please subscribe and share with your friends.